So don't tell me I'm like anybody.
Time for fancy cars and crowded bars and supermodels. Looks exactly the way it did.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with another episode of Mail Time. Mail time. We got a lot of stuff to open today. I've been kind of neglecting mail time just because I've been focusing on hype boxes and beater boxes recently, but we got a lot of like personal pickups, a lot of stuff that just came out recently, and then a couple stuff that like dropped kind of a while back, aka Supreme, because Supreme takes forever to get to Hawaii. So that's what we're gonna be unboxing today. If you guys have not already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, and be sure to hit that notification bell next to that sub button if you guys want to join the Untied Ohana. Definitely want you guys part of the Ohana. Definitely want you guys part of the family. Anyway, let's get right into this though. Supreme, Jordans, Yeezys, there's a lot of stuff. Let's jump right into it. Got dog fur everywhere. Anyway, this first box actually comes to us from Net Magnetism. I've talked about Net Magnetism a lot on previous like videos and whatnot, but Net Magnetism is a shop up in Canada, and they specialize in like doing these things called sneaker raffles. Basically, you enter like 10 bucks or something, and then you can win like really high grail sneakers. I didn't win, unfortunately, in one of their most recent ones, but I did come in like a runner-up. And the runner-up is good because you get things like this. So let me open this up real quick. I'm not really sure what's in here. Just cut the box right on. Oh, it looks like, okay, it looks like a shirt. So this is one of their runner-up prizes that they actually gave, and I think they just released this recently. It's like their brand of merch. So again, the shop is called Net Magnetism. Net Magnetism. And yeah, I think this is made out of like 3M material, so it has like that shine when you're like running in the dark and lights hidden and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Very minimalistic. I kind of like this design. Speaking about merch and stuff, we're actually going to be getting pretty deep into that on this channel like pretty soon. Peep that Aloha Sega design. What? Yeah, don't worry about it. We'll talk about that later. But it is in the works for all of you guys asking. Thank you guys for supporting and like actually being interested. That in itself is amazing. But anyway, Net Magnetism shirt, so this is pretty cool. Thank you to Net Mag. Check out their raffles and stuff. Their link will be in the description below. Alright, so moving right along. This one comes to us from eBay. Oh, personal pickup. I know what this is. Nice. Okay. So, I don't think this is really hyped or anything like that, but I like to show you guys what I like buying for myself personally to wear and stuff. You guys see me a lot opening up Supreme and stuff like that, but for the most part, most of their clothes I'm not really interested in. Their shirts and stuff are a little bit too graphic for me. I'm not big on like super big designs front or back. So this is more my speed, and this is a Adidas neighborhood collab jersey kind of thing, and it's pretty dope. You guys see over here, this is the neighborhood design Adidas. They did a collab a little while back. This is in a size XL because it is a Japanese brand, so you got to get it a little bit bigger or else it'll run small. And yeah, neighborhood branding on the back, and then NBHD for neighborhood. Pretty clean shirt. I like it. I'll be wearing this in like upcoming videos and whatnot. So speaking of Supreme, this is something we picked up from like, I think like 3 drops back now, 2 or 3 drops back. So yeah, it takes a while for Supreme to ship to Hawaii. Not to mention like, I don't know, I just didn't have a chance to open it recently. So let me open it up real quick for you guys. Oh shoot, I hope I didn't cut the bag. I talked about this piece on a previous video when we were talking about the North Face collab. And yeah, again, North Face collab, that's a while back. Empty. Wait, not empty. BOGO stickers. Almost threw that away. So 2 box logo stickers, but this is the real prize. This is the Supreme North Face metallic parka in that like rose gold colorway. So I told you guys this was gonna be my favorite one. Like I told you guys I like this colorway the most. And resale has not been good on these things, surprisingly. Seeing it in person firsthand, like, yeah, I can kind of see why. That metallic is pretty like standoutish and whatnot, but for the most part, I mean, it's not super bad. For me, I honestly think the prices are gonna go up eventually, but yeah, for now, keeping this, adding this to the collection with my other North Face parka that I can never use because it's Hawaii, and yeah, it's pretty hot all the time. It does get cold though sometimes at night, so hopefully there's like a couple nights out of the year that I can actually use this thing. I don't know. I don't know, we gotta see. But yeah, really nice piece. Like this, definitely going in the collection. Not for sale. Throwing these away would have been pretty bad. Uplogo stickers actually have value and stuff. And it's kind of nice just collecting all of them. So moving on to shoes now. This looks like a Nike box. You guys can probably already guess what it is. Oh, okay. So, This is heavy. So I've heard that they've been giving this stuff out recently with the Jordan 1s that have been releasing. It's like a huge Nike bag. I didn't realize it was this big. Got like that diagonal patterns going on. Yeah, I'm not sure why they're giving these things out, but I guess it's a nice little bonus. It's really heavy too, so that's an added plus. So this is a Jordan 1 size 11. You guys already know what Jordan 1 just dropped recently. It was the Jordan 1 Shadows. And this is a nice pair, guys. This is a really nice pair. Leather feels pretty good on this. I've heard it was pretty soft and it's a pretty high like quality leather. So one of my favorite colorways for the Jordan 1 just because it's so functional. So yeah, this is a personal pair. Got lucky because Sneakers Reserved actually got me this. So that's rare because I never get anything reserved that's like good on Sneakers app. Usually it's like all these random bricks and stuff or like kit sizes that I'm never gonna buy and things like that. So it was nice seeing this one pop up. Definitely like this sneaker though, and it is going in the collection. I'm running out of like real estate on my desk right here. This isn't even a mail time box. I'll put this on the side. This isn't for mail time. You guys aren't supposed to see that yet. That's a hype box. It's a hype box. We'll open up that later, don't worry. Just wait for that video. Anyway, this is the last box that we have. This one is from, it just says Fulfillment Warehouse. I don't really know. Okay. So this is right here, Yeezy 500, and I'm assuming Warehouse, this is the Yeezy Supply one, not the Adidas one. I actually ordered from Adidas as well. So this was the pre-release Yeezy 500 blushes. I ordered this back like last year was the pre-orders? I think it was last year. And they only ship now, which is ridiculous. If you order a pre-order, you would expect it to get here before the actual release. So yeah, that was pretty messed up in my opinion. Not a big fan of that. But yeah, let's open it up and see how it looks. Size 10.5. This is the Yeezy 500 blush. Let me turn this down real quick for you guys. Oh, that's up. So a little bit darker now. Yeah, Yeezy 500 blush. You guys can see right here. It's not even on Boost material. It's on this adiprene stuff that's like, I heard it's comfortable, but obviously it's not Boost. Let me turn this back up now. So yeah, interesting shoe. Not really a big fan. I'm sure you guys have seen like a lot of these already, so it's, yeah, not the greatest shoe. I was hoping that it would look a lot better in hand, but truth be told, it still looks pretty not my speed in my opinion. But a lot of people are actually hyping these up now, and that's a good thing. You know, if you like it, wear it. And because these are like not super hyped up and there's not really great resale, if you really want to buy these, I think they're only going for like 40-50 bucks over retail, so that's pretty good for you guys. Not sure if I'm gonna be keeping that one personally yet. Probably not. It just doesn't fit into my style. Anyway, I think that's it for this week's mail time, guys. That was a lot of boxes. We got like 2 shoes, the Supreme North Face, and then just a couple personal pickups and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Hopefully gonna be grabbing more Supreme like in the future. It's been pretty dead in my opinion on what I like in terms of drops. I actually tried for the Lacoste drop that just dropped this week, and yeah, that was a no-go. It sold out really fast for what I was going for. I was trying to get the crew neck in like that tan colorway, but completely missed that. So no Supreme for kind of a while. And on top of that, when it actually does ship, if next week's is good, you won't see it for like 2 or 3 weeks. So there's that. Thank you guys again for watching. This has been another episode of Mail Time with Untied Hawaii. Anyways, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed. Take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots.